Hey, what's up BTT holder? This is live price prediction of BitTorrent. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you every single day and all cryptocurrencies, about all cryptocurrencies, good and bad updates, and I inform you to this is selling time or buying time. So don't miss any update. Just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest update. Okay guys, let's start a live price prediction. Okay, so here you can watch the last 1 day result. Absolutely good. You can see here in the chart on off, no big dumps, no big jumps, but this is normal result. If you can see, here the change is plus 1.85%. This is absolutely gone good. This is absolutely good change, but I hope they can easily take this type change. Then I hope easily they can cross $1. You can see here in the price of one BTT coin as 0.003754 US dollar. Absolutely a very small price, but I hope they can easily beat to one day $1. So this is good for a beginners who as a new holder, who has a new and crypto. This is absolutely good coin to buy it, and this is good for practicing and absolutely good for earning. If you lost, then this is very low lost. You can see here this is absolutely very low price, so you can lose still low. So this is good for a new crypto user. So just enjoy it and use this and just buy it and enjoy, and they can give you a good profit. Not bad. This is not bad, and I hope they can easily one day beat to $1 and easily beat every cryptocurrency. So I am also buy their BTT coin. If you want to buy it, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I am updating you every hour. So what's your opinion? Please share in a comment box. You want to buy it, or you this is buying time for this but are not time? Okay, what's your opinion? Please share it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.